Hello friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw. To get started, let's gather all the materials we need. Paper, pencils of various thicknesses, an eraser, and of course your imagination. Step 1. Beginning. Let's begin with the basic shape of. Sketch light outlines to determine its size and placement on the paper. Step 2. Details. Now let's move on to the details. Add on the right and on the left. These details give its distinctive features. Step 3. Shadows and light. To make your drawing more three-dimensional, add shadows and light. Step 4. Finishing touches. Complete your drawing by emphasizing the contours of drawing. You can also add additional details to enhance its appearance. And there you have it. Your is ready. Don't forget to sign your drawing and share it with us in the comments. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you learn how to draw. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and leave your suggestions for future lessons. See you in the next video.